Pero sa pro, no? Kung talagang hindi mo may isip yun.
Daddy, mga other big man dito sa 14 and under division. Yes, he's only 14 years old. Itong si Sam. Baka hindi pa nga 14 yan. Baka mga nasa 13 lang yan. Kita pa sa katawan niya.
Balboa will be fouled. 2 free throws coming up. Try to give us another deadlock dahil abante na nga ng dalawa dito ang Davao. 44-42. Make that 44-43 after that conversion. So we mentioned that every time that the Jordans are off the floor, talking about Edison and Allison, dun medyo nagkakatayo dito sa Davao. I just noticed that. Ang dalawang Jordans sa kabila.
Wow.
3-pointer from Balboa.
Fine also there by Kapule, finding Balboa. Lahat gusto magpakita. Walang relax dito eh. Talagang lahat sila dito. Feeling nila it's gonna be a championship game for them. Naalala ko yun, the season 1, yung mga nalaline up is binibigay pa ng
bagong pasok lang dito sa Bulacan. I believe that was Balboa.
Probably a back pick, but that's gonna be a 5 seconds violation. Yun na nga. Na-delay at na-deny itong si Tizon. Kaya natawagan ng 5 seconds violation itong
JT Bulacan Taipan. Tizon attacks. Will lose that basketball. Recovered by Balboa. Tatakbo tayo sa kabila. Balboa takes it all the way. Will miss on that layup. Pangan trying to fight for it. Paras. Question that we've been asking all throughout this game. Kanino ka pupunta in the absence of Edison Jordan? As a blocking foul will be called here against the Kingthorns and carry over ang ating penalty from that fourth quarter. So this would mean free throws coming up.
Referee sees a different thing on his angle. Well, sa ganitong ka-tight yung ball game natin, lahat naman ata ng tawag, I think i-contest ng both team na yan.
Siyempre, even yung uniform kanina, nung crucial na part. They took some time to make sure. 6, tied at 68, now tied at 70. Bin will try from outside, too strong. Trying to save it was Balboa, bounces it off Tizon as they will regain possession. Great hustle there from Balboa.
Yan yung mga clips na kailangan mo ipakita sa mga scout o sa mga coach na kung gusto mo mag-try out, yung mga ganong klaseng play. When everyone give up, wala, nandun ka pa pala. Diba? Balboa saving that ball and a fresh 14 seconds. Ibibigay niya dito para sa Bulacan.
Bulacan needs a 3-pointer. It's Sahol. A second remaining. Balboa for 3. Go! Balboa!
Sabi natin ngayon.
Sends it to overtime. Confirmation and indeed, that 3-pointer from Balboa will count and we will have 5 more minutes.